नीलगिरी माउंटेन रेलवे भारत की हेरिटेज रेलवे है, यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज रेलवे है। आखिरकार ये क्यों महत्वपूर्ण है, इन सब पर बातचीत करने के लिए हमारे साथ सदर्न रेलवे के सीनियर पीआरओ हैं। आइए सीधा उन्हीं से बात करते हैं। सर, जब हम नीलगिरी माउंटेन रेलवे की बात करते हैं तो पहले तो इसे बताइए क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है ये।
This is one of the oldest and heritage systems in the world. This is the only rack and pinion system in the entire world which is run by it, which was run by steam till 2018 2008, and now it is run by oil fired steam locomotives, and this is the only rack and pinion section in the entire world, which is unique in every way. You have got semaphore signaling, which is also again unique, and there are a lot of unique aspects in Ooty railway. This is a more than 100-year-old railway. This was completed in 1899, and the extension from Kunur to Ooty happened in 1908. So if you take 1908, it has again crossed 100 years.
सर, यहाँ पर जो आप बता रहे हैं कि रैक एंड पिनियन, ये एक सिस्टम क्या होता है, जरा हमारे दर्शकों को समझाइए।
Actually, in 1850s, there was one British engineer of the district called Morant. So he is the person who came and surveyed this region, and he was the person who laid the foundation for a railway line up to Ooty. So when he studied the track, he found out that the gradient is very steep. The gradient here is 1 in 12. What he has built is 1 in 12. So 1 feet in 12 feet. That is 1 feet height in 12 feet high. 12 feet length. You will raise 1 feet. Like that, he has very gradually increased this thing. So this gradient is one of the steepest in the world. And this is when he built the system way back in 1800s. 1899, the line was finished. So when he built the system, the uniqueness of Ooty became known to many more people, and this was one of the first mountain railways in India. And it is that way. It is really a heritage. The Ooty is known as the queen of the hill stations. I would call Nilgiri Mountain Railway the queen of Indian railways.
सर, क्वीन ऑफ इंडियन रेलवेज, लेकिन एक और चीज आपने कही कि ऑयल फायर्ड स्टीम इंजन, तो ये जरा समझाइए ऑयल फायर्ड स्टीम इंजन क्या है और पहले जो चलता था दोनों में फर्क।
The thing is, when uh, coal was not getting available, coal was not available, so we had to think of alternatives. So in late in 2007 2008, they started experimenting with oil fired locomotives because they wanted to retain the coal image of the steam engine. So now we are having oil fired engines, which they fire oil, and the same effect of steam engine comes in the oil fired locomotives.
सर, एक और चीज मैं जानना चाह रहा था, जब यहाँ से शुरुआत होती है और ये आखिरी स्टेशन है, 46 किलोमीटर लंबा ये सफर है, कई टनल्स हैं, कई जो है इसमें ब्रिजेज हैं, तो इनको कैसे मेंटेन किया जाता है, और दूसरी चीज है कि इसमें कितनी ट्रेनें चलती हैं।
In this, the main two trains are one from Maitupalem to Ooty in the morning. It starts at 7:10 and reaches here around noon. And there's another train that leaves here around 2:30 in the afternoon and reaches Maitupalem just in time to connect the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Nilgiri Express from Maitupalem. So when the line was extended in 1862 from Madras to Podunur, from Podunur, they started laying a line to Mettupalayam, and from Mettupalayam, they wanted to bring it. So this is connected to Chennai and towards Bepur. In those days, Bepur and Calicut was there. So this Mettupalayam was connected to all these places in a very unique way, and it has really enhanced the importance of this region. The railway line has enhanced the importance of the region. There are various tribes during the UNESCO heritage application, which Palghat division, I was the secretary of the heritage committee of Palghat way back in 2003 to 2006. So we were the ones, the heritage committee of Palghat division was the ones who formulated the UNESCO application and got the heritage for this Nilgiri Mountain Railway. During that time, we had a chance to interact and study the lot of local people. There are three main tribes. One is the Todas, the second is the Badagas, and third is the Irulas. These are all tribes who have helped build this railway. and there is a famous song written by the Toda community about the train. I am not able to sing that song, but they sing in the Toda language. So when the UNESCO team came in 2003 to study the line, we had given them this thing to see the Toda song live. So there is a Toda graduate, the first graduate of the Toda tribe. She came and sang the song about the train.
वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज रेलवे है ये यूनेस्को के लिहाज से, तो इसको मेंटेन करने में कि ये करेक्टर बना रहे, उसके लिए रेलवे क्या क्या करती है?
See, for this to maintain this heritage, we have done a lot, especially the locomotives. We have maintained the heritage structure of the locomotives. That's why when we went for an alternative to coal-fired engines, we retained the shape of the coal-fired engines and modernized it, but we did not, modernize the look. We still have the same steam, steam like engines till today. So because we wanted to preserve the heritage, so we have a heritage museum in Metupalayam. So occasionally when we have occasions like the NMR day and all that, we have exhibitions in Ooty and Kunur as well. We have the one of the oldest steam and diesel locomotive maintenance workshops in Kunur. When you go to Kunur, you can see that they maintain this thing. So it's one of the oldest.
आपका ढेर सारा धन्यवाद ये तमाम जानकारी देने के लिए।
Thank you for being here. Please popularize this Nilgiri Mountain Railway. It's one of the finest and unique railway systems in the world. Thank you.
यहाँ पर जो आप देख रहे हैं वाकई जो है ये बिल्कुल अलग जगह कही जा सकती है, क्योंकि 2200 मीटर से ज्यादा समुद्र तल से ऊंचाई है इस जगह की। और हमारे तमाम दर्शक सोच रहे होंगे मैं बार बार इस चीज को क्यों कह रहा हूं कि 2200 मीटर से ज्यादा, इसलिए बोल रहा हूं क्योंकि नैनीताल बहुत से लोग जाते हैं, मसूरी बहुत से लोग जाते हैं, और कमोबेश उसी जो है हाइट या उससे ज्यादा की जो हाइट है उस पर यह जगह मौजूद है, उदक मंडल। और एक और चीज मैं बताऊं, इसको ऊटी पॉपुलर तरीके से ऊटी के तौर पर जानते हैं, नीलगिरी माउंटेन का यह इलाका है। और यहाँ पर हम आपको वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज रेलवे का जो स्टेशन है वो स्टेशन आपको दिखा रहे हैं, साथ ही साथ ये जर्नी भी हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि किस तरीके से अलग हो जाती है। और जब भी आप यहाँ पर आए तो निश्चित तौर पर मैं कहूँगा कि इस रेलवे लाइन पर जरूर सफर करें, और यहाँ से लेकर आप तरह तरह की चीजें देखेंगे। कई ढेर सारी टनल्स हैं जिनसे होकर ये ट्रेन गुजरती है, और यहाँ पर उदक मंडलम के स्टेशन पर हम मौजूद हैं, सिद्धार्थ न्यूज स्टेशन, ऊटी, तमिलनाडु।